Ridesharing at the Airport, LAX Guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ridesharing at Los Angeles International Airport, LAX. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, this guide will help you navigate the rules, maximize your earnings, and avoid common pitfalls. Not following LAX rules and regulations may result in citations ranging from $200 to $1,200. Getting started, placards and quizzes. To drive at LAX, you must pass a quiz to familiarize yourself with the airport's rules and regulations. Once you pass, you will receive an LAX placard, which must be displayed on your vehicle. Only one rideshare placard, either Uber or Lyft, is needed, depending on which company you drive for. This placard must be clearly visible at all times. Background check requirements. LAX requires drivers to meet specific background check criteria, in addition to state requirements. You may be blocked from taking trips to and from the airport if you have convictions for driving under the influence, fraud, property damage and/or theft, acts of violence. Additionally, the airport does not allow drivers with convictions for reckless driving, sexual offenses, using a motor vehicle to commit a felony, driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol, hit and run, driving with a suspended or revoked license, acts of terror. Pickups at LAX. 1. Enter the airport assignment area. If you want to park and wait, use the staging lot at 6100 Westchester Parkway. Do not wait on private property. 2. Driver queue zone. You'll be placed in line for the next pickup. Proximity to the terminal does not affect your place in line. 3. Pickup location. Once you receive a request, pick up your rider at LA exit. Follow signage and in-app navigation to the correct curb, curbs 2, 3, and 4. 4. Shuttle service. Riders are routed from the terminal to LA exit via an airport shuttle. Important tips. Queue management. You can lose your place in line if you go offline or drive outside the airport assignment area. Aim for trips that pay at least $2 per mile and have a minimum fare of $20. Verify passengers. Always confirm your passenger's name and destination before starting the ride. Uber versus Lyft. Uber tends to offer better opportunities at LAX compared to Lyft. Maximizing earnings. Given the traffic and potential long waits, it's crucial to be strategic. If you find that there's a long queue of drivers, it might not be worth your time to wait for a ride at LAX. Consider focusing on areas where demand is consistently higher, or use multi-apping strategies to maximize your earnings across different platforms. Optimize your schedule. Weekends and evenings typically see higher demand for airport rides, leading to better earnings. Know the peak hours. LAX is one of the busiest airports in the world, so understanding peak hours can help you plan better. Mornings, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., and evenings, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., are particularly busy. Challenges you might face. Parking issues. Parking at LAX can be a nightmare. Avoid unauthorized parking areas to prevent hefty fines. Always stick to designated rideshare zones. Traffic congestion. Be prepared for significant traffic, especially during peak hours. Patience and strategic planning are key. App glitches. Occasionally, rideshare apps might experience technical issues. Keeping your apps updated and having a backup plan is always a good idea. Conclusion. Driving at LAX can be profitable if you know the rules and manage your time efficiently. Always carry your placard, adhere to the regulations, and stay updated on any changes. Happy driving! This guide is designed to help you navigate the complexities of ridesharing at LAX. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.